Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make this really pretty cake topper, so stay tuned. From the Cricut design space, I click on text and let's go with James and Megan. And the font I will be using is called the lovely Valentine Script, which I have purchased from Font Bundle. I can leave a link in the description box below. Let's enlarge it and click Ungroup. And just start moving some of the letters closer together so they join. Next I'll click on upload, and I want to upload the shape of the heart right here. So I want to add a heart between James and Megan and just basically make a border. So what I do is duplicate the heart and just make it slightly smaller and select the heart and click slice, and then remove the middle parts and you should have a heart border. And let's make this heart a little bit smaller and bring Megan over, and I think I'll just keep adjusting some of the letters and heart shape until I am satisfied with the look. Next we want to add a date in the middle. It could be just the year or the month. But first I need to create a line in the middle just to make the date more sturdy when it's being cut. What I've done is unlock the square and just make it into a line and then pop it underneath here. So now I'm just going to make up a date, 22nd of March 23. Decrease it and bring it to the middle. As you can see, the dots are kind of floating above the line, so I need to bring them down. So what I need to do is ungroup the numbers and dots and just bring it down slightly. And I would like to make the date a little bit thicker, so I will use the offset feature. If you are interested in how I do this in more detail, I've got a video on it, so I can link it just above here, or I can add it in the description box below. Okay, let's bring the date over. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video so far and found it helpful, please do click the like button down below, as it would really help my video get out to more people so they can learn how to make cake toppers. Thank you all so much. And I'm quite happy with the way it all looks. So what I do now is select all and weld it. We're going to make this in gold, and I tend to use this colour chart just for reference, just to remind me of which colour to use. Let's make this cake topper 6 inches wide, and I'm going to prepare it for cutting. So the glitter cardstock I will be using is the 250 GSM. It's got a nice thickness to it, and also I will be using the light grip Cricut cutting mat, as this will be easier to weed off my cake topper without ripping the back of the cardstock. So I'm going to prepare it right now. So the setting I will be using is the one just above poster board. This will cut the cake topper twice to give it a nice clean finish. So here we go. Do you guys see what I mean when I try to lift the cake topper off without it ripping? that looks pretty nice actually. So I need to add a stick behind and then show you the end result. And this is the end result. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.